Hello everybody, today in this video we'll see how to use slow-mo or how to slow down a video in Capcut Mobile, so let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and open the app, and then once it loads up, tap on New Project. Select the video that you want to slow down from here and then tap on Add on the bottom right corner. Once it takes you here, tap on Add again, and then from here, let's go ahead and delete the ending. And then tap on the video. After that, tap on speed on the bottom right here. Now before we go ahead and slow it down, let's see how long it is right now. As you can see, it is about 15 seconds. So from here, tap on normal on the bottom. And then drag down towards 0, anything under 1x. And that will slow down the video. As you can see here, it is slowed down and it will become much longer because we have slowed it down automatically. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.